Crispy rice without a lid, how to guide.
Hello there, rice lovers. Today, we're going to explore a unique and different method of cooking rice that might just revolutionize your culinary experience. Traditionally, we cook rice with a lid to keep all the steam inside and allow the rice to fully absorb the water, leaving it fluffy and soft. But what if we told you that you can also cook rice without a lid to achieve a crispy texture? Intriguing, right? Let's dive in.
What makes rice crispy?
Before we move on to the cooking method, let's first discuss what makes rice crispy. The key to getting that crispy texture lies in cooking the rice longer than usual, allowing some of it to stick to the bottom of the pan and crisp up. This adds a delightful crunch to the final product, and can be an exciting addition to many dishes.
Choosing the right rice.
The type of rice you choose can significantly impact the end result. For crispy rice, you'd ideally want to go with long grain varieties like basmati or jasmine, as they are less sticky and tend to crisp up better.
How to cook crispy rice without a lid.
Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Rinse the rice. Always start by rinsing your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and helps the grains stay separate. 2. Cook the rice. Add the rinsed rice to a pot, along with water in a ratio of 1 to 1.5, rice to water. Bring it to a boil. 3. Simmer the rice. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and let the rice simmer without a lid. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't dry out completely or burn. 4. Crisp the rice. When the rice has absorbed most of the water and is fully cooked, increase the heat. The bottom layer of rice will start to become golden and crispy. Be careful not to burn it. 5. Serve. After achieving the desired level of crispiness, take the pot off the heat and serve your rice immediately. There you have it, your guide to cooking crispy rice without a lid. As with any cooking technique, it might take a couple of tries to perfect, but once you do, it's worth it. Remember, the keys are using the right kind of rice and controlling your heat well. Enjoy your new culinary adventure and savor the delightful crunch of your homemade crispy rice.